Hey everyone, it's JT Ippolito. We're reporting live from InterDrone 2018. And if you have any questions in regards to drones, we're covering it all. So make sure you ask us. We're covering all the new technology and the latest drones. Gosh, the wingspan on this one is forever. We're up in the fly zone area where they're demonstrating all the different drones. We'll come back and show you one of those. What we're going to do is do a bunch of short videos, show you everything that's going on, and come back to you. You got any questions? Like, follow, share. We're Sync, SYNC Media Network on YouTube. Check this out. How much are those?
So this is the precision insert for your smart glasses.
Sweet. Insert for your smart glasses. Epson. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that's right.
Hey, how's it going? Rochester Optical.
So we are Epson's partner for the optical.
Are you from Rochester, New York?
That's right.
So am I, born and raised.
Oh yeah, nice. Do you still live there? Or?
No, I moved to California, Laguna Beach.
Oh yeah.
Don't miss it at all. So make sure you see these guys. Go figure. There's somebody from Rochester everywhere you go. There was TV news last night of a 95-year-old gentleman who walked 6 miles a day to see his ailing wife in the hospital. And his wife is 103 and he loves her. And he said, nothing's going to keep me away from her. And at the bottom lower third, guess what they said? Rochester, New York. It's amazing the things that'll tell you what happens in Rochester. Gosh, look at this one. Every year this seems to grow and grow and grow. Gosh, look at this one with thermal imaging.
That's with the ground station and
It's got a nice image of your pants.
yeah. Hopefully.
This is Impossible Aerospace? Endurance, okay. Is that what you would think would be your number one?
Sorry?
Benjamin, do you think the number one thing of yours is the endurance of it?
Yeah, absolutely. So that's a value proposition. We offer a 2-hour flight time on a single battery charge.
Somebody's doing it right. Thank you, Benjamin. It's an Impossible Aerospace.
Some people, they need a secure way to store. We got 2 GPS receivers here. We're doing a carrier phase ambiguity resolution between the two. When we get heading with the drone, take it down to a 10th of a degree. And so that's used. We're trying to cover it all.
There was also a couple articles in today's paper saying that Nevada is the number one drone area because there's so many drone companies based here doing all their testings. My gosh, look at this one. Airbird. B&H, I'm sure everybody has bought something from B&H Photo out of New York. They too tend to give the best service out of everyone we know. And let's do this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fire off and come back in 2 seconds. We like to do it in short bursts. There's the underwater drone. JT Ippolito, back to you in the studio. Eileen, for Sync Media Network. Uh-oh, what was that? We got to hear that real quick. Oh, they just started that one. All right, back to you in the studio. We'll come back with much more video and then of the demonstrations. JT Ippolito, Sync Media Network. Like, follow, and share on Facebook and Instagram.